Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A32 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can enable or disable easy mode on this device. Firstly, open settings and go into display. Now scroll down, click on easy mode and tap on the switcher to activate it. As you can see, easy mode is now turned on. If you want to go back, you have to go into the same settings, choose display again, tap on easy mode and click on the switcher one more time. As you can see, easy mode is now disabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!